Our LLM program is unique in a sense that we are the second institute at Chennai who are offering corporate law, exclusive corporate law course. Hello, this is Professor Sudha, Dean School of Law, SRM IST. We have started our journey at one of the most renowned private university in the year 2014. It is known for its curriculum, faculty members, world-class infrastructure. With regard to the faculty members who are working with School of Law, around 60% of them are well qualified with PhD degrees, and they have published papers in renowned global journals as well as national journals. Our faculty members, they believe in not only teaching law, they believe in training future advocates who can solve the problems of the society by providing best solutions. I can say that the core strength of School of Law is attributed with its faculty members. We have a set of more than 55 dedicated faculty members who are relentlessly working for the purpose of shaping the future of future advocates. After that, we have a dedicated moot court hall, mediation center, library, wherein we train students towards experiential learning, starting from conducting mock trials, moot court competitions. Whenever I discuss about moot court competitions, from past 10 years, SRM is organizing national level moot court competition as well as Tamil moot court competition, wherein we will call one of the finest minds of legal scholarship, starting from high court judges, solicitor generals, leading counsels, as well as the academicians at pan-India level will actively participate in these competitions. And after that, our students are active in participation and bringing eclores to the organization by winning many prizes at national and international moot court competitions. And after this, we are offering 4 UG courses, 3-year LLB course, BA LLB honors, BCom LLB honors, BBA LLB honors courses. And the approach for teaching this course is multidisciplinary approach. For example, if a teacher is teaching medical law, he will bring a forensic expert and other related expertise from medical college. Even the environmental law teacher also, he is closely associated with engineering department for the purpose of solving the pollution related aspects. And after this, our faculty members have contributed a lot in imparting legal aid to poor and needy by way of organizing many camps. Our LLM program is unique in a sense that we are the second institute at Chennai who are offering corporate law, exclusive corporate law course. And after that, we have LLM, international trade law and IPR course. And the third important course is criminal law and criminal justice. In this course, we will emphasize on cyber law and cyber security. And after this, our PhD program is also aimed at doing cutting-edge research on contemporary aspects of law, starting from bioethics and law, disability rights, money laundering aspects, as well as environmental pollution related aspects. We welcome each one of you to study UG and PG courses at this happening place. Thank you.